Are you hustling to manage your marketplaces? Then Sellercloud can be a big help. In this platform, you can integrate a large number of marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Walmart, Newegg, and so on. Create your products and roll them into all of your selling channels and easily track all of your inventory from one place. And it is one of the most budget-friendly multi-channel software you will find in 2024. Hi guys, I'm Shakhat from Ecomclips. I will show you the step-by-step process of marketplace integration, individual product creation, and inventory tracking with Sellercloud. So keep watching this video. Sellercloud can simplify your multi-channel selling hassle. You can do many cool things with it. One of them is marketplace integration. It will make your business a lot easier. But if you are new to this software, it might seem a bit complex. In case you don't know the right way, you will be puzzled. That's where here I am, guys. I will show you the process directly from the dashboard. In this episode, I will show you 3 different most important facts you can do with Sellercloud. First, how you can integrate multiple selling channels like eBay, Walmart, Amazon, etc. The second thing we will see is how to create individual products manually. And the third thing we will learn is inventory tracking. So let's start our first segment of this video. Now this is the dashboard. When you log into your Sellercloud account, it will look like this. There is some option on the left side. And on the right, you can see your orders, shippings, and many other business data. Now our task is to integrate a channel. Suppose we are going to integrate our Amazon account with Sellercloud. This way, we will be able to manage our Amazon operation with Sellercloud. If you want to integrate any other channels, the process will be the same. Okay, now we are going to integrate one. Click Setting from the option panel. Here you will see an option called Companies. We will click on it. Okay, now here you can see we have 2 companies. The first company has already integrated with Amazon, but the second one does not. So we will integrate Amazon with it. Just enter here by clicking on it. On the top right, there is a toolbox. Click on it, write Amazon and see what comes. Here you will find General Setting. Click on it. Without integrating an Amazon account, the interface will look like this. You need to click on the box next to Amazon Enabled. After that, put your merchant ID here. Then on the top right corner, there will be a Save option button. Click on it and save it. Then in this part, a Sellercloud logo will be visible. When you will click here, it will ask you to log in into your Amazon account. After login, by giving credential, it will take the necessary information from your account and create API tokens from you. Then save it again. After successfully integrating an Amazon account, it will look like this. That's it, folks. To integrate any other channel like eBay, Walmart or Shopify, the process is the same. Now let's move to our next task, which is listing items. From the dashboard, let's go to this option called Catalog. Then click on Add New Product. Now you will have 3 options here. Create via channel, create individual product manually, and import via file. In this video, we will cover only one of them, which is create individual product manually. So click on it, then select a company if you have multiple companies. Give a product name, SKU, select product type, or you can add a new product type. These all are mandatory, as you can see the red star marks on the side of this box. Then give a buyer email, or you can keep it as it is. And giving a product note is also not mandatory. You can skip it if you want. After that, click on Create Product. And now we have nicely created our product. But this is not the end. We need to edit our product details, give price, upload images, etc. To do that, go to Manage Inventory from the Inventory option, then search your product using these filters. You can search with keywords, SKU, companies or conditions. We will search with our SKU, copy and paste the SKU from the product you have just created. Now the item will be visible in this section. Right click on the item. Now you can upload images, edit product names or include descriptions. When you click on the edit icon, you will be able to edit them. After giving necessary information, click on the tick mark and it will be saved. From the toolbox, enter the marketplace name and click on the properties. Ready to post? This is no right now. When you will fill up all the requirements of your marketplace, then it will be yes. After that, click on the action and find list on eBay and click it. Now we are done. Our third topic is inventory tracking. This is pretty simple. Go to manage catalog, search the item with SKU. Let's say we want to track inventory for this SKU. Copy and paste it inside the search bar on the top. Here two options will come. One is inventory and another is catalog. Click on the item from the catalog. Then this page will look like this. In the toolbox, type warehouse, then select warehouse bins. Now you can see we don't have any inventory here. Click on plus icon and this window will come up. Here select warehouse, bin name and quantity, then save it. After that you will see the result here. If you want to adjust your inventory, click on this icon and simply plus or minus the quantity by entering the number into this box. See, we successfully made the adjustment. That's all you guys. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. We have learned to do 3 basic tasks with Sellercloud: marketplace integration, individual product creation, and inventory tracking. In the next video, we will come up with more tutorials on Sellercloud. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And in case you want to ask any question about our organization or our channel or just about the video, feel free to write in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.